AirPods not charging? Easy solutions. Get your AirPods charged once more so you'll be able to take heed to your favorite audio. This troubleshooting information will provide help to discover and repair the issue so you may get your AirPods charged and get again to listening to your favorite audio. Why are my AirPods not charging? There may very well be a number of causes your AirPods are usually not charging. You may have soiled contacts which are making it unattainable for the AirPods to attach with the charging case. There may very well be one thing blocking your case's charging port, that means it is really the issue, or there may very well be software program points at play. You might even discover that one thing easy like a useless AirPods case is the problem. How do I get my AirPods to cost? These troubleshooting steps will provide help to decide if you may get your AirPods charged and dealing once more. Charge your AirPods. It sounds counterintuitive, but it surely is attainable. You have not put your AirPods of their case to cost them shortly, even for those who thought you probably did. Simply to make sure, drop the AirPods into the case and wait to see if the charging gentle comes on. If it does, there may not be something unsuitable together with your AirPods. If the sunshine does not come on, then there may be possible an issue someplace within the charging course of in your AirPods, so maintain working by means of these steps until you discover it. Test your connections. Are your AirPods making contact with the charging case if you insert them for charging? The small silver tip is the place the charging occurs, and if you place your AirPods into the charging case, it's best to really feel a satisfying magnetic snap because the AirPods are seated correctly. If this is not occurring, you could want to exchange your battery case. However, earlier than you do, attempt the following step first. In case your AirPods are usually not seating correctly, or if the highest of your AirPods case will not shut, take away the AirPods to see if there's one thing blocking them from becoming accurately into the case. Clean your AirPods. In case your AirPods are soiled, the connection factors that permit for the AirPods to cost may not be finishing a circuit. Attempt cleansing your AirPods, after which reinsert them into the case to see if they're going to start to cost. Update your AirPods firmware. If it has been some time since you've got up to date your AirPods firmware, you could have missed and replace, and that may very well be the wrongdoer. Attempt updating the firmware, after which undergo the steps above to see in case your AirPods will cost. In case you run by means of these steps and your AirPods are nonetheless not charging, it is attainable. There's a downside with the AirPods case. Why is my AirPods case not charging? In case you've tried to cost your AirPods and nothing appears to work, you possibly can have an issue together with your AirPods case. Attempt these troubleshooting steps to see if you will discover and repair the issue. Test your connections. In case you suspect your AirPods case is not charging, the most definitely wrongdoer is one thing stopping the charging connection, and that is most definitely as a result of the charging cable is not inserted utterly. For those who are utilizing wired charging, the cable is broken, or as a result of the case is not making good contact with the Wi-Fi charging base. For those who are charging wirelessly, take the cable out and reseat it to see in case your charging gentle comes on. If not, attempt utilizing a unique cable. Or, for those who are charging wirelessly, attempt utilizing a wired charging connection. Cost your AirPods case. In case your AirPods case will cost, make sure that it's utterly charged. Whether it is utterly charged, the charging gentle will flip inexperienced. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.